different three-letter words of sound of O. Yes. So today we are going to start sound of U. Yes. We all know we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Up till now we have learned some different three-letter words made by the use of different two-letter words family of sound of A, sound of E, sound of I, sound of O, and the next one is sound of U. Yes, the last one is sound of U. So today we are going to start sound of U. Okay, we will see different two-letter word family. We will make different three-letter words made by the use of this different two-letter word family. Just like UB, UD, UD, UG, UG, UM, U and UP, up. Yes. Okay. So we will use this different two-letter word family to make different three-letter words. Okay. So today we are going to start with two-letter word family UB. Today we are going to start with this two-letter word family UB. Yes. How can we pronounce this UB? How can you pronounce this UB? What is the phonic sound of letter U? U, opening an umbrella. Yes. And B. So Yes. We will pronounce this two-letter word family as Yes. So first one is CUB. If we join letter C with this UB two-letter word family, then it will make, what is the phonic sound of letter C? And cub. Yes, cub. CUB, cub. What is cub? What is the meaning of cub? Yes, baby. Whose baby? Tiger and lion's babies are known as CUB, cub. CUB, cub. Yes. So if we join letter C with this two-letter word family UB, then it will make CUB, cub. Then next one is RUB. If we join letter R with this UB two-letter word family, then it will make, what is the phonic sound of letter R? And RUB, rub. Yes. So like this we can pronounce RUB, rub. What is the meaning of rub? Rub your hands, Remember, yes, that is rub. Rub means साफ करना, है ना? Hands को हम ऐसे घिसते हैं, या तो फिर we use eraser. Eraser को भी हम क्या बोलते हैं? रबर, है ना? उसे क्या करते हैं हम? क्लीन करते हैं, है ना? क्लीन करना, रब करना. Yes, so that is RUB, रब. इरेजर को रबर क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि उससे हमारी जो गलती हुई है उसे हम क्लीन करते हैं, है ना? So that is RUB, rub. Yes. So RUB, rub. Then next one is TUB. TUB means tub. Yes. How can we pronounce this? TUB, tub. If we join letter T with this UB up to letter word family, then it will make TUB, tub. Because what is the phonic sound of letter T? And up. Sorry. TUB, tub. Yes. And what is the meaning of tub? Yes. We all go for a bath. Yes. तो बाथरूम में क्या होता है? Tub. Yes. So TUB, tub. Tub means बाथरूम में क्या होता है? टब होता है ना, जिसमें हम पानी फिल करते हैं, या फिर बाथ टब होता है जिसमें बैठ के हम नहा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज टब. That is tub. Yes. So which three-letter words we learn today made by the use of up two-letter word family? C-U-B cub, R-U-B rub, and T-U-B tub. So my dear students, we all have to practice all these three-letter words. Okay. So now we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye everyone. God bless you all.